In this video, I made a beautiful animation using Morph Transition in PowerPoint. So, without wasting much time, let's start the video. Go to Insert, click on Picture. Here I have downloaded a picture from Google. Select and insert it. Go back to Insert, select text box. Write Golden Gate here. Select and center your content. Change the font, make it bold and increase font size. Also change the font color. Select picture, press Ctrl Shift to take it right side. Go to Format, then Align Center. Go to Crop and crop the picture like this and click on the outside. Select text box, press Ctrl Shift, take it right side. Go to Format, then Align Center. Go to Text Fill, select No Fill. Go to Text Outline, select Color. Click on right button, duplicate the slide. Select Picture, take it downside. Select Text Box, take it left side. Select Picture, press Ctrl Shift, increase the size. And place the second slide above the first number. And select second slide, go to Transition, select Morph. Increase duration also. Now click on Slideshow. So see friends, our slides looks very beautiful and easy to create. If you like the video, then like it and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to watch other videos also. Thank you.